Good morning. Today I have taken the first, writing section. That is what is wrote now. Notice writing. Now, how are we able to attain the entire 4 marks? That is what I'm trying to show you through these slides. Now, notice writing, students, you must have done in the 11th also, so there should be no problem. It's just a brush up of what you've already done. So first of all, we would try to see the marking scheme here. It's written below. Format is of 1 mark. Content is of 2 marks. Expression carries 1 mark. Remember, if there is no content, the format and the expressions would be automatically 0. Whatever notice you are writing should be written in a box. What is notice? Notice is something, an information that has to be displayed and given to a large number of student bodies or the society members or some organizations or the government body. So it's just to alert about something. So that is why a notice is written. The notice can be about events, issues, something which is there in the public interest. It can be about appeal, about eye donation, blood donation camp, helping the victims, in some way or the other. So notices will deal out. Let's see the slide here, the kind of notices or the type of notices that can come. There are a number of notices, so I've dealt with few which are important ones and regularly been coming up. Competition notice, an excursion trip, tour, lost and found notice, an exhibition. It can be science exhibition, it can be any exhibition, a blood donation camp, an eye donation camp, something helping the victims of drought, etc. So I've taken them. You will see that there are common points which can be used, but they are very important points that have to be considered in the notice. Before going into the notice writing, see the format which I said is a 1 mark. If anything goes missing in this format, you do not get 1 mark complete. So we have to keep at least 7 things in the mind which have been given here. 6 are important. Firstly, wherever you're writing that name of the institution, it can be the society. Suppose you are writing a notice for the society, so you can write the name of the society here. If you're writing it in the office, you can put the name of the office. If it is in the school, you can write the name of the school, comma, place where your school is. Then the word notice in the capital letter has to be written. You can leave a line or you don't leave a line, that hardly matters. Then on the side, that is the right hand side of your page, is written the date, and the left hand side is written the date, and the title in itself is considered in the format also, and it is also content referred in the content also, so it carries 1 mark. Then is in the end we write the name of the person who has written the notice. Signature is optional. Then the designation of the person who is writing the notice. So that means for the format, name of the institution, the place, the word notice, date, title, name and designation. This has to be taken into consideration. Any kind of notice comes up, this format would remain the same. So that is why next time whenever we will be talking, we would not be referring to the formats again. So is this format clear? Then we'll move on to the content part. Now, I have tried to make a tabular form which will make you understand that there are certain typical, rough work. See, this is what I call the rough work. Now, if you know what kind of rough works are to be written, the notice writing becomes easy. So these are the points which we call them as value points also. You remember that at least 7 to 8 value points have to be written in whatever notice what you are writing. So if we take a competition notice, suppose we will take a essay writing competition. First of all, who's organizing? The school is organizing. What? Essay writing competition for classes 9 to 12. To find out the best students for the zonal competition can be your purpose. Then the date, the time, the place. Is that clear? So where the competition will take place, that means the date, the time, and the place. Now, because it's an essay writing competition, it can be a story writing, it can be a debate. Wherever there is a topic that is required, you are supposed to give the topic. Now, obviously, the entire class, as we said on the top, 9th and 12th, the entire class will not participate. So we'll have some number of participants. You can add up if you want to the prizes also, clear, but that is not mandatory, so I have not written here. Then the names have to be given to, write the name of the person, or you can write the names can be given to the undersigned latest by. Again, this part is forgotten by the students. It is important. You have to put a date here, latest by whatever the date is. Suppose the competition is on 25th April. So write down, give your names latest by 20th April. So I think how many points are we considering here is the first, who's organizing, what, that means first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, nearly 11 points you have to remember. So whenever there is a competition, what you have to take in your mind is that there are 11 points that has to be written. So these points are very important. Now suppose from the competition, let's take an example of a slide with a competition. This is a debate competition. I've given you a slide here. So you can see this is what is the format, the 6 things. After that, this is what has been organized. Who's organizing is the school. What, that is the second point, debate competition. Third, for whom, that is the classes given here. The fourth one, date. Fifth, sixth, number of participants is the 7th, topic is the 8th. So we've considered all the points that were there given in the rough work. So if you know the rough work and the value point, the thing becomes easy to write. Now, while writing, you have to keep in mind that the notices are not written in the past tense because they are going to take place. The debate competition is going to be organized, is being organized, So we have to write with is plus ing, or it can be the simple present tense. Clear? So here, coming down to the next one, that who's organizing, where the name has to be given, by what date the name has to be given. So this is the point. All those 11 points are considered and written in this notice. So this can be your main frame out. From here only we can keep on framing some competition. Suppose it's a Rangoli competition. Again, Rangoli competition, the classes, the date, the time, the place, how many participants are required. Now, instead of the topic, if you want to write topic, that also can be written. You can even write Rangoli competition is organized on the occasion of Basant Panchami. Even that can be added up. Now, material required. So what you want for the Rangoli competition can be colors, can be flowers, So those kind of things can be added up. But the basic points are the ones that we have added up in the value points. Let's move to the second one and go back to the previous slide. See, in the second one, I've talked about excursion and tours. If you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, that means those value points that we've already discussed. Here also, who's organizing, what is organized, for whom it is organized, why it is organized. It's an educational tour. Yes, it's, a tour, adventure tour. What is the date? What is the time? Time period is that when we would be coming for 4 days, for 5 days, that is included in this. What is the place where we are going? How are we going? That is to be included. So I've written the included points below. The transportation. What are the charges? Charges will include the boarding and the lodging, staying there, eating, whatever is included in the charges. Then the number of participants, rather than that, the number of seats. If you're going from a Volvo bus, so it must be having 30 seats, 40 seats, whatever. The names have to be given to the undersigned latest by, again, put a date, along with NOC. NOC means no objection certificate. So see, we have again made a slide somewhere here. Excursion to Kathmandu. So organizing, who's organizing the school, where, the classes, the date, the cost, the transportation, the number of seats. Now, we do not write the time here that the students are supposed to come to the school at this and this time. No, because still here the trip has not been decided. It's going to be decided if there are number of students. Number of seats here, then there would be an itinerary that will be included. Parents can give a NOC or the consent letter to the undersigned and along with the charges. So can you see the same value points? So what is important, again I'm stressing on, is the value points, and the tense is organizing. Come to the third kind. Third is an exhibition. Suppose it's a science exhibition. Again, who's organizing? What is organized? For whom? What is the purpose? To find out the best model for the science exhibition, for the zonal level exhibition. The date till you will be sending your model, the time, the place, what is the theme if you want to give this theme for the model. And then the names have to be given by so and so. If you want to add up, I have given up the point here. It can be a working model. Clear? If you want to give them what kind of a working model, again you can give them. But the basic points, can you see, are the same that we had discussed, are the value points. Coming over to the next kind of notice is the lost and found. So I've given you here, the format remains the same as I told you. What is lost? What is found? The description of the thing. Now suppose it's a bag, the color of the bag, the company of the bag, if there is a scratch on the bag, what are the contents of the bag that you have to write, what was the date when it was lost, the time, the place, and whosoever will be able to find it would be suitably rewarded, and he and so she, whosoever it is, can inform the address. It is better to give a phone number than the address. So this is what is included. See in the next slide, we have I've given you a notice that is of found. So the notice is what has been found, where, that is a school auditorium, the date, the time, what was there, few documents and some cash. Clear? The plastic bag was red in color is the description of the bag. The owner of the bag can contact the person concerned, and he or she can give the identity proof and tell the contents what are there in that bag and can take it. So this is the way we write a notice, and you can see the format remains the same. All those 6 things are included in the format. So always remember the number, the content 6, the format 6, and the content should be more than 7 to 8. The next is, this is what we've already talked about, is an example of the debate competition. This is an excursion. Now, this is an appeal notice, a blood donation. Again, the contents and the rough point remains the same. Who's organizing is the school. What has been organized is a blood donation camp. Now, the school cannot organize a blood donation camp, so it has to go in collaboration. So, it has gone in collaboration with the AIIMS blood donation. The date, the time, place is already written in the school itself. Now, the children are below 18 years, so they cannot give the blood. So, they are being informed so that they can inform and pester their neighbors, family members, siblings, etc. to come and donate the blood. For whom the blood has been donated is for thalassemia and the cancer patients. This is an additional information. Refreshment would be given to the donors. Any kind of blood type, if you want to get it checked, you can. And this is a line for the appeal. Do join for the noble cause and make it a success. And you can see here also the format remains the same. Next is a notice which is different from the others, a little one, that your school is going to publish an annual magazine and you want to appeal the students to give their write-ups. Here also actually who is to be informed at the students. Who is informing is the school body. For what is the annual magazine? What are the children supposed to contribute? Are the stories, the poems, etc. They should be all original. Till when is the last date? The content should be original, and for any other further information you can contact. But if you see, the basic points are the same. Who has given this notice? For whom? What is the purpose of the notice? What is the date? What is the time? What is the place to where you have to submit your article? So the mail address is also given here. Then we'll talk about one society notice. Here also the format will remain the same. The content is again more or less the same. So see here the format the society's name, where the society is, the word notice, the title attention, the name, and the designation. Here also, the society notice is been there for all the residents. Obviously, the society members must have written it about the water supply. That would not be there for 8 hours. Clear? What is the date? What is the time? For what the water would not be there. And the request, humble request is you can make your own arrangements. Clear? That is what is given in the line, the do the needful. So what the notice writing does not seem to be a big task. We are going to the very first slide once again. Here, format we have discussed. We have 6 points in the formats. Content, at least 7 to 8 points are mandatory to be written, and the tense should be in the present tense. If we take the present tense, the expressions also should be right. Once again, go to the slide here. This. Now, I basically tell the children to write in this manner, right, rather than writing in the sentences. Why? Because the more you write in sentences, you can have grammatical mistake. In this way, you are putting up all the points, everything is in the word limit, everything is written also, and there would be less chances for the grammatical errors to be there. So I hope you have understood what is important, what you can keep whenever you are writing a notice. You've got an assignment, you have to write these value points. You can write them out in the board paper also. Board the checkers, because I've been checking the papers from past 20 years. So I feel the checker would be happy to see that the child is able to put all these value points before writing a notice, and it will be easy for the student also to see what he has written and what he has not, so later on he can improvise on the notice also. So thank you for seeing the slide. I hope it is clear.